Hello YouTube, Kimul at 10 here, with the pack opening. So today, EA released 3 new cover vote cards, um, right here. Terrell Reeves, CJ Spiller, and Des Bryant. Um, I really want the Des Bryant, but Reeves would be good too. I could care less about Spiller. So I got one pack for now. I know it's a long shot, but who knows? I got the pack in for doing a solo challenge last night. I saved it for this morning. So yeah, let's test my luck. Here we go. Oopsie, oopsie. Come on, let's see something good. Ah, that scared me a little bit. Sorry, Jim Harbaugh. Jabal Shares. Seahawks Stadium. Brandon Moore. Logan Mankins. Richard Sherman. Paul Pavlosny. Defensive playbook coach. Bills jersey. Ooh, 99 Dave Casper. Don't have that. Phil Taylor. Contract. Michael Bennett, second edition, and John Harbaugh. So, yeah. Not great, but I guess I'll be putting some of these in the collection. So there's supposed to be a hint in these hacks about what's the next positional collection that's going to be released tomorrow, I think. I'm not sure if they have a right guard or left guard collection, but I'm guessing that's probably it. But I'll be back later. I'll be posting another video. Probably gonna go get some Microsoft points and buy a 10-pack bundle, or maybe a 14-pack bundle. I don't know how much money I want to use, but it'll be a 10 or 14-pack bundle. So look out for that. All right, peace.